ASUS ROG Strix G15 review. Please take 3 seconds to subscribe to our channel. The ASUS ROG Strix G15 is probably the best Windows laptop for gaming, especially if you want the latest hardware. It has a great design with gamer-friendly RGB lighting and a keyboard that offers decent travel. Although it is on the heavier side, the G15 has enough power to replace your desktop. The ROG Strix G15 laptop from ASUS features the latest 10th generation Intel Core i7 processor and comes equipped with a desktop-class Nvidia GeForce RTX 2070 GPU. The display on the laptop offers 240 Hz refresh rate, there's a great stereo speaker system, and it also has efficient cooling. This gaming laptop is powered by the latest 10th generation Intel Core i7-10750H chipset, which is coupled with 16GB of DDR4 RAM. Instead of the older GeForce GTX graphics, the G15 comes with the new RTX 2070 GPU with 8GB GDDR6 video memory. That's plenty enough to run any game or software you throw at it. It also gets a 240 Hz refresh rate on the 15.6-inch Full HD display, which is great for gaming. If you want a powerful laptop for work, then try the Dell XPS 13 Windows laptop. The ROG Strix 15 has a great electro-punk design with pink and RGB lighting. Although it has a considerably slim body, the weight is still there. ASUS has packed a lot of high-end hardware in the chassis, including the latest Wi-Fi 6 wireless chipset from Intel. The laptop has its power and the Ethernet ports at the back, which allows for easy access. It has dual fans and an intelligent cooling system that keeps temperatures low. If you're looking for something more sleek and portable, try the Microsoft Surface Windows laptop. This laptop is good value for money when compared to other high-end gaming laptops. It has a newer GeForce RTX graphics card, the latest 10th generation Intel Core processor, plenty of storage with space for more SSDs, and a great display. The 15.6-inch Full HD panel is a delight for gaming and for professional or creative work. You can also plug in a 4K monitor via the HDMI 2.0B port. The ASUS ROG Strix G15 is an excellent gaming laptop that offers the latest hardware for a great price. The 15.6-inch FHD display with 240 Hz refresh rate works great, and the Nvidia GeForce RTX 2070 can run any game with high frames. It also has plenty of storage for all your data, and although it is heavy and the fans can get loud, the G15 is a great buy. Thanks for watching, please subscribe for more upcoming videos.